Hello students, today I am going to teach you chapter number 18 of SST subject. The name of the chapter is Our Industries. Students, what is an industry? Look at this picture. I have written the answer for this question also. First, before reading the chapter, you have to understand that what is an industry, because this is the chapter related with the industry. So you should know. An industry is a group of manufacturers that produce a particular kind of goods or services. That is called an industry. So the next topic which we are going to discuss, that is types of industries. Students, industries can be divided into two types on the basis of their size and on the basis of the raw material and size. Two types of industry we will discuss in this video. On the basis of the size, there are three industries: cottage industries, small scale industries and large scale industries. On the basis of the raw material, there are agro based industry, mineral based industries, forest based industries and marine based industries. First we will discuss on the basis of the size. First is cottage industries. Students, here is the picture. Look at this picture. What is this? It is a cottage industry. So now let's discuss more about this cottage industries. Cottage industries are home based industries. They are found in the homes. In these industries, work is usually done by craftsmen and artisans belonging to the same family. These type of industries are found in the homes. Next is small scale industries. Here is the picture. I have added that. Look at that picture. Here it is a small scale industry. Small scale industries are set up with small machines. As we have seen in the picture, they are set up with small machines. They employ a few workers and use more raw material than cottage industry. As we are getting the cottage industry in the homes, and so these industries use more raw material. In these industries, manufacturing of goods is done on small scale. These industries produce plastic goods, utensils, fan, toys and cycles. These industries are well distributed all over the countries. Next is large scale industries. Here is the picture, that is large scale industry. Students, large scale industries employ hundreds of people. Sometimes there are thousands of people also. They use large machines and produce goods in large quantities. These industries also need high skilled labor. As they are large scale industries, they need a high skilled labor also. And there are some more large scale industries. First is iron and steel industries. It is a heavy industry as both raw material and finished goods are here. Then these type of industries, iron and steel industries, are found in West Bengal, Jamshedpur in Jharkhand, Bhilai in Chhattisgarh and Rourkela in Odisha. The next is sugar industry. Students, sugar industry is second biggest industry in India. It is the second biggest industry in India. This type of industries are found in the Uttar Pradesh, Maharashtra, Gujarat, Punjab. These all the states they are found. Next is cotton textile industry. It is one of the oldest large scale industry. Keep in the mind, it is the oldest large scale industry, and these are located in Maharashtra, Gujarat belt. Next is cement industry. Cement is used for the construction work, as we know that, and this type of industries are in very demand now in these days. Railway equipments. These type of industries make things for the railways. Then information technology. This is a recent development in India. Before it was not in India. Now in IT, now our India in IT is developing very fast, and these type of industries are found in the Bangalore, Mumbai, Hyderabad, Pune, Gurugram, Chandigarh and Chennai. These are the states those are having their IT industries, information technology. Then next is on the basis of raw material. First is agro-based industries. Agro-based, as we know that agro means agriculture. These type of industries use raw material from the agriculture. That's why they are called agro-based industries. Next is mineral-based industries. Mineral. This type of industries, mineral-based industries, use raw material like mineral ores for the as a raw material. Next is forest-based industries. This type of industries use raw material which we get from the forest, like paper industry, furniture, etc. These all the things. Next type of industry is marine-based industries. Students, these industries use products from the sea and ocean as raw material, like fish oil, seafood, like that. Okay, this was the chapter about our industries. Now we will discuss the exercise. First is fill in the blanks. This you have to do yourself. Read the chapter properly. Then second is true false. That also you have to do yourself only. Read the chapter first. Then only solve the exercise 1 and 2. Question answer we will discuss in this video. First question is, third exercise, first question is, how do industries play an important role in an economy? Yes, industries regulate to production of goods, provide employment opportunities and balance demand and supply. Next question is, name the different types of industries. Different types of industries as we have discussed: cottage industries, small scale industries, large scale industries. Number 3 is, what do you mean by cottage industries? Cottage industries are very small industries where the production of goods take place in the house of laborers and the workforce includes the members of the family. Next question is number 5. What are the characteristics of large scale industries? Now you have to tell about large scale industries. That is question number 5. Characteristics of the large scale industries are, these includes many heavy and capital intensive industries. These employ hundred of workers. Number 6 is, what are some of the large scale industries in India? Now you have to write the names of the large scale industries which are in India. First is iron and steel industry, sugar industry, cotton textile industry, cement industry, and last is information technology, which we have earlier discussed. The next topic is match the following. After reading the chapter, that exercise also you have to do yourself. So it was the chapter about our industries. Hope you all understood. Thank you.